Hello guys and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to order from eBay. Now first of all, once you create your account and you log in, of course, into it, you will be faced with this page, which is the home page of eBay. Now make sure that you are not going to eBay as a seller, because here we are going to buy items. So in case we would like to order, then we are buyers. Now since we are switching from here, like this button right here, this sell button, switch from it to the buy. So next is to pick an item that you want to order. For example, here there is laptops, smartphones, audio, there is fashion, luxury sneakers, whatever you think of, you will find it here on eBay, even like digital product. So let's talk about, for example, let's say we want to buy some laptops. So go and click on laptops, and right through here you will have this whole page that has laptops. Of course, you can choose the range and specifically what types of laptops you would like just by going to this filter right here. So you can choose the brand, the subtype for example, casual computing, graphic design, only some parts, etc. Condition, if it is new or basically excellent, very good, etc. The price range, so for example from under 350, more than 750, etc. And much more things that you would like to be taken in consideration once you buy a laptop. Now I'm going to pick something randomly, for example this Asus VivoBook. I'm going to click on it, and once I did that, I'm simply going to choose to add it to cart. This add to cart button is helping you in case you would like to buy multiple items, but in our case, actually let's go and buy it now so we can simply order this package. So here there's a restriction on your account, so you can process your request. Now my account is basically, there is like a problem with Morocco when it comes to eBay, so they started buying accounts here because maybe, I don't know the reason why. But here once you click on buy it now, you will be taken exactly to the page where you have to fill a formula of your name, your last name, your address, then choose a payment method, put your informations, click on buy, and that will be it. Then click on my eBay summary right here and go to purchases, and you will find your order right over here. We talked about this topic in the last video, so make sure to check it out after this video ends. And yeah, that was it for today's video guys. Thanks a lot, and see you guys in the next video.